from Novi Architects. I am into this field from past 12 years and dealing with commercial and residential projects. Coming through residential projects, I had done 70 plus projects. In that, mostly interiors, contemporary designs, modern designs, etc. In olden days, people are going with wardrobes like wooden doors, but now people are going with in glass doors. For glass doors, I have come an idea, so I gone with SLIDO glass. They have coming with very nice designs, which are giving very helpful to us to keep our interiors very elegant and give an aesthetic look. And they are into a very affordable prices. They will give very special rates to architects, whereas we are having a great relationship with SLIDO. Hopefully we continue same with the further projects. Thank you.